Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to review Workpark. It's a tool by which you can manage your employees, your finance, your all projects, your sales and your customer supports. So basically, it's a business management tool. And if you scroll down, they are saying that it's an alternative of Zoho, Dubsado and HoneyBook. So these are the things guys, and it's best for freelancers and small to medium sized businesses. So Workpark is a fully integrated business management platform that lets you control all your business processes from one place. Now at a glance, what you are getting here, you are getting here almost everything need to manage your business and your client. Basically, I'll show you step by step what have inside their dashboard. But before that, let me show you the lifetime deal pricing. There have three license tier they are offering. On license tier 1 you have to pay for lifetime 59 USD, and in license tier 3 it's 169 USD. And as you can see, they are offering you 300 GB storage in higher license tier and 40 admin user, but you are getting here unlimited client users and unlimited projects. And here have white labeling feature in all project basically, and these features are included with all of these tiers. So you can have a look what are the features. I'm not wasting your time. So these are the things guys basically here, and this deal has been launched just today. As of now I'm recording this video, that's why there is no review yet here. So these are the things guys. Now without further doing, let's go to the dashboard of Workpark and let's explore what have inside that dashboard. But before that, one thing I want to mention that I have been created a VIP lifetime deal discussion group on Facebook. If you are interested to join here on this VIP lifetime deal discussion group, which is completely dedicated to discuss about various up-to-date lifetime deals coming on the market that can help you to grow your online business and also for your personal growth. So I hope definitely you will join on this group. I'll give the link of this VIP lifetime deal discussion group in the description and in the comment section of this video. Just go here and join on this VIP lifetime deal discussion group. This is the dashboard that you will get whenever you will log in or sign up on the dashboard of Workpark. See here you will get the summary of your business basically. Here you will get the active number of project, unpaid invoice, number of pending task, number of hour clock ins today, and resolved tickets. So you can create here ticket also, and unresolved tickets number you will get here, and workload graph you will get here. Your all tickets you will see here in this section. So these are the things guys basically in this dashboard. Here is basically organization, and here have different tab for your work. That means it's individually dedicated for your work. See, this is your announcement. I'll show you how you can create announcement on Workpark and how you can send this announcement to all your members or to all your teammates or to all your clients at a time. So these are the things guys basically here. Now one thing I want to mention here, that the team of Workpark or the authority of Workpark should focus here to their UI UX, I hope, because the first thing we want to set up here is this HR. Because if we do not set up here this HR, we cannot do anything in these sections. So I think this HR section should be in first section. In my opinion, I think it would be nice. And as you can see, there have employment list, department designation, attendance. So here I think it should be rearranged, because if I want to set up my employee list, then I have to set up the department designation, attendance at first. So I think there should be some rearrangement on these options guys, and this will be my request to the community or to the authority of Workpark. So anyway guys, as of now it's has been here in this dashboard, and after that there have the mission option, and this mission option is basically here dashboard, nothing else. And here you will see all your own setting, that means admin setting. I hope you know what is this setting. Here you can control all the things. Here you can have company setting, your own profile setting, your notification setting, your currency setting, your payment credential. And the cool thing is here on this Workpark dashboard you can set up your own payment systems. See, if I go to this payment credential, let me open it. See, here you can set up your PayPal, Stripe, Razor Pay and other payment option you can set up here. And you can also set up here offline payment method. So I like it a lot. So these things you can control from these settings options, guys. Also there have more setting, finance setting, ticket setting, project setting, attendance setting. So you can get attendance of your employee here on this dashboard. There have leave setting, that means the days when your employee or when your teammates will leave or will get a vacation. You can also track these things from here. I'll show you step by step how you can do these things from here. But here is the settings option, guys. You can control these things here. I will not go through all the settings, because if I go through all the settings option, then the video length will increase a lot. I hope you get the idea. You can control all these things from here on the settings option. After that, here is the request help. That means you can get help from the authority of Workpark. And here have billing option, and here is the logout option. I'm not going through these options. I hope you can explore these things. And here is the mission control option, and this mission control option is basically the dashboard that I have explained before. After that, there have option for messages. Here in this messages option, you can message to your clients or to your teammates. See, I have sent one of the message to one of my clients whose name is Jacob Singh. See, this is the message, hello client. And now my client can reply to me, and thus we can communicate with each other. Suppose I'll send another message. Suppose this is, see, this is test message to client. Now I can send it, and he can reply from his side to this message. And this is another person who is basically my employee. I have been added this person as my employee. Similarly, I can send him message and he can send me message back. So these are the things. And then there have option for announcement. You can send a particular announcement to all your clients at a time, or to all your team members at a time, using Workpark. See, this is one of the announcement that I have been sent to my team or to my clients. I can't remember, but I have been sent. See, this is the message that I have been sent. And it's just these things I have been sent. Now I will send another message. Suppose maybe, yes, Reddit marketing. And suppose I'm getting some text just for test purpose. From here I'm copying this text from here, and then I will paste it here. And then from here you have to select to whom you want to send this message or this announcement, to your team members or to your clients. Just select it and then send. Suppose I want to send it to my team members, so I'm selecting team and then post. So to all my team members, this announcement will go through their own email, and they will get notification, and this announcement they will get. So these are the things. See, this is the announcement that I have been seeing, that I have sent this announcement here. So these are the things, guys, basically here. After that, there have meetings option. If I go to this meetings option, see, from here you can schedule all your meetings, and you can add meetings. Suppose I'll add one meeting. Just select the date when you want to set up the meeting, or you can also add your meeting from this add meeting button from the right hand side. I'm selecting it. These are the things, guys, basically. Suppose I want to set up a message on 28 April. I'm selecting it, and here give a name of your meeting, and select a color of your theme, suppose this one. And here select the location, select the category, select the meeting type, and description of the message, start time, end time, date of the message, and add attendees. So you can add your attendees, and you can also add all employee together. Also you can select a specific employee. See, I have been added only one employee, that's why I'm seeing here only one employee. But in your case, if you have multiple employee here, you can see all your employee list here, and from here you have to select your employee if you want to send this meeting to individual employees. So these are the things. You can add your clients also. This is one client that I have been added. I will show you how you can add this employee and clients on your dashboard after some time. So these are the things. You can add all your clients also here. So these are the things. I'm giving some description here, and here select the category. Suppose test category 1. You can add new category just by clicking here on this plus icon. And meeting type maybe no category add, or I will add another category. Suppose meeting category 1, and then click here save. Your meeting category will be added here on this section. And you can add multiple meeting category or multiple category here in this way. So these are the things, guys. And suppose the meeting place is online. So these are the things. After doing all the things, just click here submit. So here your meeting will be saved, but here I'm seeing that it's saying that the given data is invalid. I don't know why it's saying that the given data is invalid. I don't know if it is a mistake from my side or if it's a bug of Workpark, and definitely it can have some bug because it's a completely new tool. So I hope it should be considered by the developer team of Workpark, and in this way you have to add your meeting basically. But I can't add the meeting right now, because if I click on the submit button, they're saying that the given data was invalid. I'm not sure why these things are happening, guys. But in this way you have to add your meetings scheduling here on this Workpark dashboard, and I will mail this video to the authority of Workpark after recording this video, and I hope they will let you know why this is happening in the comment section. I'll expect it that they will make it clear. So these are the things on this meeting section, guys. After that there have work, but before showing you this work section, I will show you this HR section, because to set up this work section you have to set up this HR section before. And see, there have option employee list, department designation, attendance, holiday and leaves. If I go to this department section, from here you can set up your department. Suppose in your company you can have multiple department, maybe marketing department or engineering department or finance department. See, I have been set up three department here. To set up new department, just click here add department, and from here you can set up your new department. See here, give the name of your department. Suppose the department is sales department, and then save. See, these are the things. See, the sales department has been created, and the employee of this department you will see here on this section. See, this Rathi Ashkan, I have been added this employee to this marketing department. That's why I'm seeing here. And on these departments I haven't assigned any of my employee. So these are the things, and here in this section you can manage your department and you can delete your department also. After that there have option of designation. See, if I go to this designation option, from here you can set up the designation of your client. See, I have been added one designation as FB ads expert, another designation I have been added analytics expert. Similarly you can add here another designation. Just click here add designation, and then suppose video editor, and then click on save. Your designation will be set up for your employees, and you can use this designation to assign them later. I'll show you how you can use them, but these are the things on this designation section, guys. And after that, if I go to this employee list, from here you will see all your employees. See, I have been added one employee here, and this is me basically on admin section. And see, I will add another employee here. Just click here add new employee, and here give the id of your employee. Suppose the id is 102 and employee name maybe Jack Nicholson, and here add your employee email. Suppose I am adding one email. This is the email of my employee, suppose. And here you can set up the password of your employee dashboard. That means suppose I'm giving a password here, and if the employee want to log in on his dashboard, he have to use this email and this password. So these are the things. Here you can give his Slack username, his joining date, his exit date from here, and you can set up his gender. You can also add here his address. Suppose this is the address, and you can set up his skill. Suppose the skill is video editing and Photoshop. You can add any skill you want, or the skill of the employee. After that you can set up the designations. See, this is the designation section. From here, as you have set up the designation here in this designation section, this designation will be shown here, and from here you have to select the designation of this employee. After that, here is the department section. The department that you have been set up here on this department section, you can see all the departments here, and from here you have to set up the department. You can also create new designation or new department from here just by clicking on this gear icon. If I click here, you can add here a new department. Similarly, you can add here a new designation. So these are the things. You can add the mobile number of your employee, the hourly rate. Suppose the hourly rate is 40, and login enable or disable. That means if your employee want to see the dashboard, then he have to log in. or if you do not want to log in him, then keep it disable. I want to log in him, so I will keep it enable. So these are the things. If you want to enable the email notification, then here keep enable, otherwise keep here disable. After that, select the language, and here you can add his profile picture. Suppose the profile picture is maybe this one. Anything you can add basically here. Suppose the profile picture is this one. So these are the things, and then save. See, your employee has been added successfully. See, this is the employee that I have been added right now. Now from here you can set the user role. From here, suppose I will set up maybe employee, and from here you can edit it, you can view your employee dashboard, and you can delete it also. So these are the things, guys, here on this employee section and on this employee list. And another cool thing is they have attendance section. You can track the attendance of your employee from here. See, you can track all the attendance of your employee. See, from here you can track the attendance. You can here select it, is he late or on right time, and you can set up when he entered on work, when he go out from work. So these are the things you can here set up, if he work half day or full day. So these are the things, working from office or online, you can set up these all things basically from here. So these are the things here on this section, guys. You can set up these things from here on this attendance. After that, there have holiday. You can set up the holiday of your company here, and then these holidays will not be tracked on this attendance section. See, on January, if I want to add one holiday, see here, add the date. Suppose the date may be on January 13, and occasion may be ABC. Any occasion you can add. You can add more if you want. I'm not adding, and then just click here save. See, it will be added on this vacation or on this holiday section. Now if I select here January, you will see the occasion, you will see the date, and you can see the day. You can delete it from here. So these are the things. After that, there have leaves option. Suppose your employees are in vacation, so you can also track this vacation, or your employee is sick, so he cannot work today. You can track these leaves or these things here also. Just click here assign leave. Suppose if I click here assign leave, from here you can choose the member who are in leaves, and then you can set up the leave type casual, sick, and earned leave. That means if he is in vacation, it may be in earned section, or you can also set up here new leave type. Suppose the leave type is vacation, and then from here select the color. You can select the color. It would be nice if I can select here any color. If here have a hexadecimal color plate, then I can add here multiple color. So I think it should be add in future. So these are the things, and then click on save. This leaf type will be saved here. See, the leaf type has been saved. So these are the things, and from here now you can select the leave type. Suppose vacation, and select the duration, single duration or multiple duration or half day. You can select these things also from here. And reason for absence, suppose vacation, any reason you can give here, vacation to London. You can give anything here. After that, here you can set up the status approved or pending. You can set up anything. I'm keeping it pending, suppose. So after that, just click here save. So the leave assigned successfully. See, this is the leave for Jack Nicholson, and this is the leave that I have been set up previously for Rathi Askon. So these are the things you can see in calendar view who are in leave from your employees. So these are the things basically. I think it's a great tool, guys. So these are the things on this HR section. And after exploring the HR section, now if I go to this finance section, from here you can have a lot of option. There have quotes option. Let me explore the quotes option. And here I have invoice, payments, expense, and credit note. And what this finance section do, this finance section will keep track all your finance thing basically. And see, I have created one quote here. If I go to this code from here, I can view the code, I can send it to my client, I can edit it, I can delete it, I can create a invoice for this code, and I can cancel the code, and I can duplicate the code also, I can download it also. Let me view it. See, if I view it, and let me open it. From here, see, this is the image of my client, this is his name, and this is the validation date for which this code is valid, and it's waiting, I have kept it waiting. And this is his item, see, for 5 items, and unit price is 36 USD, and total price is 180 USD. And item 2, and this is 77 quantity, and for 17 unit price it is 1309 USD. And you can also set up here tax. For 16% tax it would be 28.8 USD total tax, and total price will be with tax 1714 USD and 15 cent. And here you can also add some note. These are the things guys here. And if you want to add new code here, just select here create code, and then here give your quote number, your client, select your client from here, select your currency, validate date. After that, here give the name of the item. Suppose the name of the item is t-shirt, and here select the quantity of the item. Suppose 13 is the quantity, unit price will be maybe 5. See, whenever I have selected here 5, the total amount has been calculated here in this section. And you can also set up tax, 15%, 16%. You can set up the amount of tax from here on this gear icon. If I click on this gear icon, then you can add the name of the tax here and rate of the tax. In this way I have been added these 3 tax here. And suppose I will set up here 16% tax. If I select here 16%, the total price will be calculated here in this section. Similarly, you can add here multiple items. Suppose the item name is maybe hoodie, and then here select the quantity, maybe the quantity is 15, and unit price maybe 38, and it will be calculated automatically. And select the tax from here, suppose 15%, and total price will be calculated here in this section. Suppose I'll add some description or some note here, and see the note. This is the note maybe. After that, now you can save it, you can save it as draft, and you can save it and send to your client. See, suppose I will save and send to my client it. So I have been saved and sent it to my client. See, this is the code that I have been created right now. It's waiting for approval. That means it has gone to the client. Now he have to approve it, then it will be approved. And this is the first code that I have been saved but didn't send yet. That's why it's saying that not sent. So these are the things guys. If I view it now, see how it will look like to my clients. This way it will look like to my client. Now the client can accept it, decline it, or he can download the PDF from here. So these are the cool things guys here in this section. After that, they have invoice. You can create invoice for your work. See, let it be load. See, just click here add invoice, and you can add here new invoice. Here give the invoice number. After that, here you have to select the project, and see this project you have to create basically from this project option. Then you have to set up this or select this project option. I'm not showing you these things here, but I hope you get the idea how you can create the invoice. Similarly, you can track your all payments from here. On this payment option, you can add new payment just by clicking here add payment. See, if I click here on this add payment option, here you can select your project. You can select the paid date, currency, amount, and payment gateway, PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, anything, and receipt number, remark. You can control, or you can track all the things from here. You can also track all your expense and credit note here on this finance option. This is the expense. Just click here add expense, and you can set up this expense things here basically. Suppose let me create a project at first, then I can show you how to do these things. Suppose I'm going to this project option on this work, and then if I add a project, just click here add project, and suppose the project name is Passivern project, and then project category. You have to select the project category from here. If you haven't created yet, just click here on this gear icon and then create your project. Suppose category 1 or project category 1, and then click on save. See, your project will be created. After that, here select the start date and end date, and then you can also set up it without deadline, but I will set up it 29 April. And you can assign one of your teammate to this project, suppose Jack Nicholson, and you can add your project summary here on this section. Suppose I'll get some text from here. Let me open. Yes, these are the text, and you can do all types of formatting basically from here. And you can also add some note. Suppose I will add some note from here just for dummy purpose. See, this is the note. And you can also add here your client, that means for which client you are creating this project. You can select it, and from here you can also select that client can manage task of this project and send task notification to client. If you want to send, then select it. After that, there have project budget. That suppose the project budget is 3000 USD. You can change the currency from here. And hour allocated, suppose the hour allocated is 20 hours. And then project status: queued, in progress, on hold, cancelled, finished, under review. You can set up anything. And you can also add here any file if you want. Suppose I will add here one file, maybe this one. Any file you can add, suppose maybe this one. See, it's uploading, and then you can add this project on your project section basically. So these are the things. After that, just click here save. See, the project has been added, guys. And from here you can edit it, you can view the details, you can have a chart of the project, you can see the public chart, and you can archive it also. So these are the things basically here on this project option. After that, there have task option. That means for this project, now you have to set up the task. See, it's like ClickUp or Notion. In ClickUp, I have been seeing something like that. So these are the things. So to create the task, just click here on this create, and from here you have to set up the task or task category, task label, or board column. Suppose I will set a board column from here, and the name of the column is Passivern. And you can select the color. Suppose the color is this one, and then save. Your board will be set up. See, it's saying that server error. I'm not sure why it's saying server error. Let me reload it again. It's saying that server error. I think it's also a bug of Workpark. So if I go to the project section again, let me go to the project section. Yes, the project section is working, but if I go to this task section, let me open it. See, it's saying that server error. So I think these things will be solved by the authority of Workpark. So you can set up your task basically for your project in this section. After that, there have option for workload. Let me open this workload section. See, in the workload section, it's saying the server error again. Let me reload it again. It's again saying that server error. So this task section and workload section is not working for my case right now, guys. I'm not sure why it is, but these things are not working. So I will request the community or to the authority of Workpark to solve it if it's a bug from their side. After that, they have time logs. Let me open this time logs section. So from here you can set up the log time. You can see the calendar view. You can create invoice. You can see employee time logs. Suppose I'll go to this employee time logs, and from here you can see the hourly logged and hourly earning. You can add the hourly earning things from here. See, so these are the things, guys. You can add new time log from here. Suppose this is the Passivern project. Select a task, but I could not create task from this section, so you have to select the task from here. Basically, after that they have employee name, so you have to select the employee for who is this time logs will be assigned, and you can select only the employee who are assigned to this project basically here. And here start date, end date, start time, end time, total hours. Suppose total hour maybe 0 hours, you can set anything. And here you have to add a memo, suppose memo 11, and then save. So I have to set up the task basically, but I cannot set up the task. If I go to this task section again, see it's saying that server error. So it's a bug, guys. So after setting up this task, then you can set up these time logs here. So these are the things here on this work section. You can set up your project, task, workload, time logs. And task and workload section is not working as of now, but I hope they will solve it as soon as possible. I will email this video to the authority or to the developer team of Workpark, and I hope they will see it and they will clarify it. So these are the things, guys. After that, now if I go to this finance section, and from here I have been explained this code section before. See, these are the code section. You can set up codes, and codes is basically a proposal to your clients. And after that you can set up the invoice from here. If I go to this invoice section again, you can create your invoice, and then you can send this invoice to your clients. After that, there have payments option. If I go to this payment, and here I will add a payment to show you. Just click here, add payment, and then here select the project. We previously didn't created the project, that's why I could not show you how to set up this payment. So this is the project I'm selecting, and paid on, that means set up the paid date from here. And currency, suppose USD, amount suppose 1000, and here payment gateway, select it, payment, suppose it's PayPal. And then transaction ID, you have to write it manually, 1111. I'm giving something randomly. And receipt, you have to select the file for the receipt. The suppose the file may be this one, and then you can add some remark from here. Suppose I will get some dummy text from here for this. Suppose these are the things, and then just click here, save. So the payment has been added. See, let it be load. And see, these are the things. Now from here you can view it, you can view the receipt, you can edit it. Suppose I will view it. See, these are the details that you can view from here. Similarly, you can track all types of payments you will get to your business here on this section, and you can keep it track for your lifetime if you get this lifetime deal basically. So these are the things. After that, they have expense options. Similarly, guys, you can add expense for your every project here. Just click here, add expense, and keep track. So these are the things. After that, they have credit note. If I go to this credit note section, here you can get all the summary of your credit basically. You can get the invoice number, your project, your total earning or total expense from here, total credit note date, and you can get the status from here and action. So these are the things, guys, here on this finance option. After that, if I go to this customer option, you can add organization here. You can add new deals, clients, tickets. You can add new contracts and new proposal here. See, suppose I have been added two company here. That means the company for who is or with whom you are working. See, I have been working with Toto company, with Rolex, suppose. So you can add these things here. You can add their ID, you can add their company name, their city, their state, their country, their postal code. And here I have action. You can view it, you can edit it. Suppose I will view it, how it look like. See, these are the things. You can maybe add their logo also here, and this is their phone number, their city, their country, their state, their postal code, their address, their organization type, their organization industry. You can all see from here basically. And you can see their projects, that means the project with this organization. You can see from here, you can see all the invoices with them, you can see all the payments happened with them from here on this payment section basically. So these are the things. Just click on this add organization option, guys. You can add new organization with whom you are working, and you can keep track all the data with them from here. Similarly, suppose you have a deal with one organization, then you can add this deal and you can keep track all these deals for your business. See, suppose this is one of the deal that I have been added, and the company is AppSumo. Suppose I have a deal with AppSumo and the deal value is suppose 7700 USD, and the deal owner is this admin, and the status suppose pending, in progress, converted. These things you can set up, and from this action option you can view it, edit it, delete it. So you can keep track your deals basically from here. Similarly, you can add your clients from here on this client section. See, this is client section. This is one client that I have been added. You can add your employee from this HR section, guys, but you can add your clients from this customer section. And to add client, just click here, add new client. And if I click on this add new client, let me click. From here you can select Mr., Miss, doctor, sir, madam, anything. Suppose doctor, and client name, and here give your client name. Suppose I'm giving a client name here. So this is my client name and client email. So my client will get a invitation through this email, guys. After that, you have to select the organization from here. Suppose this is the organization. Company name you have to select from here. Suppose the company name is this one. And website you have to set up from here. Suppose the website is, and you can add address here, his mobile number, official phone number, city, state, his country, his postal code, client category, client subcategory. Suppose I'll add some address here. See, these are the address, guys, basically. So these are the things. You can add category, you can create new category from this gear icon. I'm not adding right now, but you can create new category, new subcategory from here basically. So these are the things. And other client details you can also add. Suppose Skype ID, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, these things you can add here. Tax number you can also add here. Suppose the tax number is this. And then shipping address, you can add the shipping address from here. And then you can add some note from here. Suppose this is the note. Huh. Okay. And then you can send the credential to him. You can email him. You can change the language and then just save. See, the client details has been added, guys. Now you can edit it, view it, and delete it. So these are the things. Similarly, you can add here ticket. Suppose you can add ticket here, or your client or your teammates also can add here ticket. Just click here, create ticket. See, this is one ticket that I have been created. You can see the ticket subject, requester name, request date, ticket owner, status open. You can also see the priority, high, low, these things. And then you can view the ticket. Suppose I will view the ticket. You can create these types of ticket basically here in this section. This is the problems. See, you can see these types of ticket from here. So these are the things. You can set up the priority, you can set up the type of the problem or type of the ticket. You can also add here tag. You can select the channel name, that means from which channel you got this ticket or this problem. After that, they have contracts. So you can add here new contract. Suppose with one of your client you have signed one contract, you can add new contract, and you can keep track all your contract from here. Just click here, create contract, then you can add these things basically. And see, this is one contract that I have been added. And there have proposal. So if I go to this proposal section, you can add new proposal, and then you can send this proposal to your clients. I'm not showing in these things in detail, guys, because I think the video length has been enlarged already, so I do not want to enlarge it more. But I think you get the idea. You can do these things. And see, this proposal I have been sent to my clients. Now it's waiting. If he approve it, then it will be approved. And from here you can download it, edit it, and delete it. So these are the things, guys. So we have been explored these features as of now. After that, they have payroll option. See, if I go to this payroll option, from here you basically can track the payment of your employee. Suppose for one employee, the monthly salary is 1000 USD, and for another employee the monthly salary is maybe 500 USD. So you can see and you can send them salary, and you can keep track the salary. Suppose the salary of this employee may be 1000 USD, so just insert the salary, and after sending the salary just mark here tick mark. So your information are now stored that this employee has gotten his salary for this month. So these are the things you can track the payroll or payment or salary of your employee from this dashboard. And the last but not least is there have Zoom. So you can also add here your Zoom, and then you can set up or you can schedule your Zoom meetings from here. So these are the things guys basically here on this Workpark dashboard. And here at the bottom there have plus icon. From here you can add new project, add task, add client, add employee, add payment, and add ticket. These things here have in this section. So these are the things. I hope you get the idea. It's a business management tool, and it's a robust business management tool guys. It's have everything you need to manage your business, I think. So if you think guys you need a tool like that for your business or for your personal growth, then I'll recommend you to get this lifetime deal for your business. And you can get at least 10% discount in all this pricing. I'll give the 10% discount link in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount link. And it's an affiliate link guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks to grow online business. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet. And also I hope you will join to this VIP lifetime deal discussion group from the description or from the comment section of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.